The file system is the central component of any operating system. It was also one of the first parts of the system that is designed and implemented. System hierarchy standard defines the directory structure and directory contents of Linux. And files are basically named collection of data that appears as contiguous block of information saved on a storage. First basic command in Linux file system is ls, which simply means list whatever present in the current directory. There are multiple arguments that can be used with ls. To get the list of all arguments that can be supplied to ls is by running the command man space ls. These are the arguments that can be used with ls, like ls-a that will tell the ls command to list the hidden files also, because everything that starts with dot in Linux is hidden by default. There are arguments like l, p, I, r, q and t. Press q to quit from the help page. Now let's see how some of the arguments can be used. First, ls-l will display the details of everything that is present in the directory. ls-lr will display everything in alphabetical reverse order, and ls-lrt will display everything in alphabetical reverse order, but it will also sort it by time. Now let's create some files and hidden files. For creating files, run the command touch with a file name. To verify if the file is created in the current directory, run ls. Now let's create some hidden file. For creating hidden file, run the same touch command with file name, but put a dot in front of the file name like touch.filename. ls command will not be able to display the hidden file. ls needs -a as argument to display the hidden file. There are lots of hidden files in the same home user directory. These are used for storing the configuration of current user or any other application. In Linux, directories are considered as files containing list of other files or directories. To create directory, run mkdir and the directory name. To go inside the directory, run cd and the directory name. Files as well as directory can be created inside a directory. Directories inside directories are called nested directories. To create nested directory, run mkdir with -p as argument. First, go outside the current directory by running cd // run. Now run mkdir -p main directory name / nested directory name. Any number of nested directories can be created. Nesting of directories can go as deeper as any user or any application wants. To list the directories only, use the pattern search in Linux with option D. Soft links are way of creating shortcut in Linux. With soft link, it is possible to create link of a file or a directory in some other path of the Linux system. And if source file gets updated, it will automatically update the link as well, and vice versa. And same goes for the directory soft link. It will update the source directory if any new file or directory is created in the soft link, and vice versa. Soft links are very useful in Linux. Let's say one executable file is present in a location whose path is very long. Accessing that executable file from another location will be a bit harder. For that, we can create a soft link and use that. One very good use of soft links are in env path. Use a particular path for env and create soft link in the path. It will be demonstrated after the soft link creation. In Linux, soft link are mostly used for executables, but it can be created for directory as well. Let's create some soft link. For creating soft link, let's first create a directory with name slink. Go inside the directory and create a shell script with just hello world in it. Give executable permission for the script. Now let's go back a directory and run ln-s and then the path of the shell script along with the path of the link name. To check for soft link, run ls-l. The soft link will be displayed with an arrow. As we can see, the link has been successfully created. Now we will see how we can use the soft link for env path. Paths are mostly mentioned inside .bashrc.profile or .bash_profile files. For Red Hat, it will be .bashrc for most of the times. Let's check what path is mentioned in .bashrc. As we can see, $home/.local/bin is mentioned. In home directory, we will create some nested directories. Run mkdir-p app/app1/app2. Go inside the nested directory and create a shell script with simple echo hello world and give executable permission to the shell script. Now let's move to .local bin of the current user and we will create the soft link here as it is mentioned as the path for the executables for this particular Linux user or current user. Run ln-s $home/app/app1/app2/shellscript.sh and give a link name. We will verify it with ls-l. As we can see, that link is created. Now let's move to any other directory and try to run the link. The link is properly working. This is how we can make use of existing path without updating the paths. To unlink a soft link or to delete, simply run rm and the link name or type unlink space the link name.